Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Make sure Windows 11 is up to date and you're signed into a Microsoft account because widgets sync content. Once done, enable the widgets toggle in taskbar settings. This makes the taskbar icon appear. Click that icon or press Win plus W to open the widgets panel. You'll see recommended cards and a plus button. Use those first actions to add the cards you want, because this creates the baseline content windows can surface. Now customize. Add cards with the plus icon and edit each card's settings so the content matches your location and interests. You can rearrange and resize cards inside the widgets panel by dragging the handles. This helps prioritize what you'll want quick access to. If you want true desktop-anchored widgets, make sure to pick a reputable Microsoft Store app. Install, grant necessary permissions, and configure it to pin chosen widgets to the desktop background, while keeping the System Widgets panel for quick overview. To finish, pin and position each desktop widget using the app's placement tools, then set the app to start with Windows so widgets reappear after reboot. Make sure sync and personalization options are enabled so content updates automatically. If something goes wrong, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager first. This often restores taskbar and widget behavior. If that fails, check the widget app's permissions and background app settings, and make sure Windows is updated before trying reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.